Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we got a triple simultaneous equation. We want to solve it with software. Here is the equation. 4x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 14. 6x squared plus 6y is equal to 2z plus 6. We've got 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y plus 4z is equal to 8. Note that since we've got an x squared and it's a triple simultaneous equation, it becomes non-linear. Okay, step 2, list all the given and the unknowns. So just going back through the equation again. And we're trying to find x, y, and z. Step 3. Punch in the equations into your engineering equation solver and then click on the run button. Easy as that. Step 4, find the values x, y, and z. X is equal to 1.676973. Y is equal to minus 0.895331. Z is equal to 2.750723. These are unitless. Alright, and then step 5 is the Python code, which will give you the same answers. EES is a little bit more accurate, so the values or the decimal places is going to be a little bit different. Alright, and both the code for Python and EES is in the pinned comment, not to worry, but just in case, if it is not there, you can just pause the video and write it out, and you can copy and paste it into your IDE. Apologies. So here's the code. Alright, disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC using snipping tool. You can use the Mac equivalent if you're on Mac, so the equivalent of snipping tool. So follow the instructions if you never used it. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, in your Windows search, type in snipping tool, click on it, open it, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the window to cover your YouTube screen, hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in the snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you found a mistake or if you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.